but just like the pear, we're going to try colors to see if I can get them to match here. So I'm going to go back to my handy dandy color page, and I'm going to be looking at the photograph, and I'm going to be looking to try to get more of these colors. So maybe I'll keep the yellow, but I'm definitely putting back all my greens because I don't need green here right now. Now we're going to go back and we're going to start coloring the grapes. And when we're coloring again, we're putting down our lightest color first and then building on top of that. Now I am done with the grapes, and we can check and see what they look like in the picture versus what they look like here on the paper. So if I just fold this, we can look at the highlights and the shadows and check and make sure that they are where they are supposed to be, and they are the color that they are supposed to be as well. And don't be afraid of color. Color is your friend. Now, the next thing we're going to be working on is the picture. So I have to put my handy dandy color pencils back in their color pencil case and then color swatch for this picture here.